Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is July 12th, 2023. In today's video, I'm going to show you one gorgeous hydrangea plant with multicolor flowers. It might be LA Dreamin Hydrangea. Stick with me. So guys, this is not the first time I reported this gorgeous hydrangea plant. Actually, a couple of years ago, I once reported this hydrangea plant, and also I propagated several branches from this hydrangea plant using air layering technique. Actually, on my YouTube channel, there's one playlist named as Hydrangeas Propagation and Care. On that playlist, so far there are 29 videos talking about hydrangeas, including how to propagate hydrangeas using different ways, how to care for hydrangea plants, and how to adjust hydrangea flower colors using different ways. Definitely, there's several videos talking about this gorgeous hydrangea plants. If you're interested, you can go back and click that playlist and watch all the videos. Just as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I think this hydrangea plant might be LA Dreamin Hydrangea. Why I think this hydrangea plant might be LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant? Because there's several characteristics about LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant has several features, including it can bloom on old wood and new wood. It is a reblooming plant. But of course, the most amazing feature is LA Dreamin Hydrangea can have multicolor blooms on the same plant at the same time. The color include pink, purple, and blue. And all these colors are independent of soil environment. So guys, let's talk about this hydrangea plant. So basically, this hydrangea plant is planted in the grass on the east side of this church building. So right now it's early in the morning. You can see the sun is coming from this side. This is east side. That is south. And on the other side of this church building is west. So generally speaking, this spot is fine for this hydrangea plant. But I would say this location is not perfect for this hydrangea plant because, as I mentioned, based on the location from early in the morning all the way to the noon, I think this hydrangea plant can receive plenty of sunshine. But fortunately, just next to this hydrangea plant, there's a tree. As you can see here, there's some branches extend far away just above this hydrangea plant. Probably at noon, some sunshine can be blocked by these tree branches and leaves. Actually, a couple days ago, I once came here. I was trying to shoot a video. Unfortunately, I found some flowers are wilted because the sunshine. Actually, just next to this hydrangea plant, there's another hydrangea plant. I think this hydrangea plant might be exactly the same as this hydrangea plant. As you can see here, this hydrangea plant is just planted next to this big bush. Probably at noon, some sunshine can be blocked by this big plant bush. LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant has amazing feature which can has multicolor flowers. So let's take a close look at these blooms. So basically, as you can see here, generally speaking, kind of this hydrangea flowers, most of flower colors are pink. If you take a close look at, you can still find some red colors, kind of red color spots on some flowers. So check out right here. You see, it's kind of dark pink or just red colors on some flowers. So this is majority is kind of like a pink or dark pink or red colors. And also you can find purple colors mixed with the pink color. It's kind of like a purple colors. You can see here the purple colors. And right here. And check out right here. You see, kind of purple colors. And also you can find blue colors. So check out this flower head. You see here, it's kind of totally blue colors. So let me block some sunlight so you can see the color, right? It's blue colors. It's kind of pure blue colors. Amazing, beautiful. So actually, I already show you this hydrangea plant has multicolor blooms on the same plant at the same time. So this feature pretty much match LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. So actually, I just mentioned at the beginning, I have been wondering why this hydrangea plant has multicolor flowers. I don't think gardener or some other people will adjust the soil pH to adjust the flower colors. Why this hydrangea plant has so many different colors. One of the video views once pointed out this hydrangea plant might be LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. I really appreciate that person. He pointed out LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. Actually, to be honest, before he pointed out, I have never heard of LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. From then on, I focus a lot on LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant. So that's why I think this hydrangea plant might be LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant, because it has multicolor blooms on the same plant at the same time. LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant has another feature. It can bloom on old wood and new wood. So right now, let's take a look at the stems. So basically, you can see a lot of flowers, but you still can see some stems without flowers, just leaves. You can check out here. You see here? So I want to check out the base of this bush. So basically, we are going to check out some green stems. It's kind of like a new wood. So actually, you see here from all the way to the bottom right here, right? So kind of, so far, I cannot see any flower buds on it, right? So kind of most of the flowers are from the old wood. You see here, and this kind of from the base, but I think this is not new wood, because you can check out right here. I think this kind of like still our count old wood, but anyway, you can see the flower bud on it. So the color is kind of, you can see, develop like light blue colors, beautiful. So let's check out some other branches. Let me see, no flower buds on it. So anyway, most of the flowers, it blooms right now from the old wood. So let's check out another hydrangea plant just next to this hydrangea plant. As I mentioned, so basically this hydrangea plant is kind of pretty much the same as that one, but this hydrangea plant has few flowers. You see here, most of the flower has, it's kind of like from last year, it's dead. So, but still can see some new flower buds on it. You see here, it's gonna bloom different time. So let's check out this one. You see here, one flower bud. Okay, I think there's blooming right now. So early stage. Okay, so check out here. You see here, it's kind of all the way from the base of this hydrangea bush. It's kind of like new wood. So you see, flower bud. So basically, I think most of flowers right now blooming is from on the old wood, but you still can see some, you know, the stems is green from all the way to the bottom. From here, you see here, this one kind of from all the way to the bottom. Right here, right? It's kind of green stems. I cannot see flower buds. Maybe later they're gonna develop some flower buds. LA Dreamin Hydrangea belongs to Hydrangea macrophylla, also known as big leaf hydrangea. Just like other hydrangeas, LA Dreamin Hydrangea is deciduous and perennial plant. That means during the fall and winter, the hydrangea plant will go dormant. That means all the leaves will turn yellow and brown and dropped. but the next springtime, all the leaves and the flower buds will come back. It's going to bloom again. LA Dreamin Hydrangea is also a reblooming plant. That means some flowers buds will form during the summer and autumn. It's going to bloom the next year. It also develops some flower buds in spring and summer for the later this year to bloom. Because LA Dreamin Hydrangea can bloom on old wood and new wood, and also it is a reblooming hydrangea plant. That means LA Dreamin Hydrangea can tolerate heavy pruning. If you accidentally give a heavy pruning, you cut a lot of branches accidentally, you still can get some blooms the next year or later this year. As you can see here, this hydrangea plant compared with the other hydrangea plant, I think it might be the same hydrangea plant. You can see this hydrangea plant has more flowers on this plant. I'm thinking about why, because you can see here on the ground there's more grass, green grass right here. But on the other hydrangea plant, you can see less grass, because here you can find one water sprinkler right here. You see here, water sprinkler right here. So basically, hydrangea plant prefer to grow in some area with consistent moisture. So that's why this hydrangea plant is doing better than that hydrangea plant. At the end of this video, I want to emphasize again, LA Dreamin Hydrangea has multicolored flowers at the same time on the same plant. It is independent of soil pH. So basically, that means you do not have to adjust the soil pH using any commercially available chemicals such as soil acidifier. It naturally developed different color blooms on the same plant at the same time. So it might be a very good choice for some people. They really love multicolored flowers from the same hydrangea plant. But unfortunately, actually, our Dreamin Hydrangea plant is not cheap. It is pretty pricey. If you check online from Amazon website, you will find that this kind of LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant is very expensive, over $30 for a small plant. But anyway, if this hydrangea plant is LA Dreamin Hydrangea plant, it might be really good news for me. So I really love multicolored hydrangea flowers. So guys, if you like today's video, if you think today's video is very helpful, please give a thumb up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.